Hi everyone, it's Fiona from YBR St Mary's and it's Mortgage Monday. Today I'm going to give you a tip on title deeds. Now the reason for this is because last week I had a client and he wanted to add his son onto the title deeds of his home because he thought it was a really simple process. It's actually not. But if it's something you want to do, there's just a few things you need to be aware of. Now, this is mainly something for the conveyancer to go through with you. However, I'll just give you a couple of things you need to be aware of if this is a path you'd like to take. So you will need to pay a fee. So say, for example, it's the father on the title deeds of the home and he'd like to add his son. Okay, so there's two of you on the title deeds now, so the child will probably have to pay 50% of the stamp duty. Now, stamp duty is based on the valuation. So a valuation will be done by the bank and they'll assess how much the property is worth and you'll pay stamp duty based on that. Now, you'll also have to pay a transfer of title fee, and that's something the conveyancer will sort out, and that comes up to about, I've seen a maximum price of $1,000. So they're just a few things that you need to be aware of if you'd like to add someone to the title deeds of your house. If you'd like any further information, feel free to leave a message in the comments box and have a great day.